will say it's not dirty, but it is what it is. It's the internet, you know.
It's dirty in our eyes.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
So you guys generally use stars and stripes anyways?
Yes.
So how does it do for you? Does it get the job done?
Excellent, man. Yeah. We love it.
That's cool, man. That's good to hear. It took a long time to figure that stuff out.
I bet. You know? It took me a little while to convince the boss. You know? I was like, dude, you gotta look at these videos. You know?
Well, it's a time saver, and you know, I mean, you could use cheaper soap, but your time is also it's a factor, man. You know.
Oh, 100%.
Plus, you can reach everywhere a little easier when the soap's doing more of the work. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna find some grommets with like some cloth flaps in the middle that fit this and drill them in here. Dude, right?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
We're gonna get some custom foam can balls.
Yeah, that's what I want to do, man.
Alright, so what are we doing?
We're washing it. It's not super dirty, but it's black, so you know it shows everything, and you know it looks like it could use it. And it's a Western Star. Western Stars are super cool. Here we go. Try this thing out. So this is a PDS. Is that what this is, Kev?
Yeah.
Professional dressing system, I assume. I'm gonna take the tire and trim. We're gonna put it in here. We're gonna put all of it in here. This is next level, Kev. And then, I don't know how long to do this for, but oh. Well, that ain't tight. Hang on. Look at that. That's quite an interesting looking stream, isn't it? So these must be tightened. Yeah, we're at 120 PSI when it cracks open. Whoa. This thing is pretty substantial, man. Well, since we already have a mess on the floor anyway, let's see how this looks like. Yes! Look at that. All right, let's see how this works on the truck. Here we go. Oh! You can see this being a big time saver, Kev. This thing is super useful, man.
So let me know what you guys think about this thing. I know that I personally like using this Dress Pro tire applicator. I think that it's a really nice shortcut, and it's something that can help speed up the process of dressing a bunch of tires at the same time. It is something that I can bring into stock if you guys think that it would be beneficial to you. Let me know. The retail on this thing is a little under 300 bucks, so it's not cheap, but it is really well made. I love that it has the air compressor port right on the top of the thing, so you could charge it up super easily. It also has a really nice swivel going into the brush handles, so it doesn't fight you at all, and the coiled up hose is like 15 feet long, so you just set it in one spot and go. The only drawback that I noticed to this is that it can't be charged up by hand, so you do have to have an air compressor somewhere to use it. But I think it's a great shortcut for any shop with a bunch of trucks. Let me know what you guys think. We'll take it from there.
Nice meeting you, man.
Nice to meet you too, man.
Yeah, nice stuff. Didn't expect to wash, but I appreciate it.
This was fun, man.
Yeah, thank you
Hope
very
to see
much.
you again sometime.
All right, sounds good.